Yo, thanks for tuning in. All right, so we got a little bit of trimming to do here. Here in Texas, grass is already starting to grow. We got a lot of weed trimming and maintaining to do before it really gets out of hand here in a couple months here during the spring. So I'm trying to get on top of it early, keep it maintained, and it doesn't look like a jungle out there sometimes. So yeah, so we're gonna head to the shop. I need to check on the mower and some weed whackers, make sure they're working good. Logan's gonna pick me up here. He needs to go to the gas station and get some gas. He needs to get gas for the weed whackers and the lawnmowers and some of the other equipment that we need to run this weekend. So Matt is in Dallas for the Dallas Supercross. So it's me and Logan and a couple of the girls around here and Mickey at the gate running the place. So somebody's calling me. Let me answer that real quick. You're heading to the Dallas Supercross, huh?
Bro, dude, yeah. It hasn't even like hit me yet, man. I don't know what to expect. I don't know where to go, and I don't know what to do, but I'm going.
Good, man.
I'm sorry, guys.
Go ahead. Did Matt get you a ticket?
Yeah, dude. I'm having like I get everything, man. Like the track walk and all types of shit. The only thing that sucks, I'm by myself, man. But it is what it is.
That's good, bud. That's good. You enjoy it. Enjoy it. It's gonna be a good time.
I wish you could have came with, dog. It'd have been sick.
Yeah, I know. We'll do it next year. I got some stuff to do around here, and
yeah, man.
I've been to them before, so I'm not missing too much. We're gonna watch it on TV. Me and Logan are gonna watch it on TV outside on the porch here. So.
Okay, cool, man. Hell yeah. Tell him I said what up.
For sure.
Cause I gotta set up I gotta set some shit up. I guess or something like that when I get there. Recycle ranch or whatever. So. Yeah,
have a good time.
Factory, bro.
Factory for a day.
Hell yeah, dude.
Go check out those pro circuit bikes.
I'm gonna tell him I'm Austin Porter's backup now.
There you go. All right, man.
All right, man.
Have a good time.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'll see you on TV tonight. If you lift your shirt up, they may have you on TV.
Hey, that's what I'm saying. I will, bro.
All right, later.
Hell yeah.
See ya.
All right, bro. Later.
That was Cody. He was just talking with me. Yeah.
What do you say?
He's all excited and shit. He's just calling me. He's like, I don't know, what should I do when I get there? I'm like, fucking take it all in. Like, like. We could probably build one good lawnmower out of the 4 that are sitting there rotting away.
Those are Ash's projects.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's funny. All right, we got a dead battery on the lawnmower, so we're gonna wait a couple hours to get this thing charged up. We'll see if the old 2-smoker weed eater is gonna fire up. Ah, ugh. Jizzed all over you.
Fueling up.
Heading to the VP stove to get some more VP.
Called Exxon.
Getting refill at VP. Is it mixed?
No.
Does he? They don't mix anything in there. Huh?
You wanna go with me and get gas?
I guess I'll go ahead and go with Logan to the gas station. I think riding his truck. This kid put some work into his truck. It's a badass Silverado, so let's go for a nice little ride.
Tires are up just a little bit.
Hit it!
Good. Oh, hey, dog. Can you get me one of these? 2032, please?
Yeah.
We need like 150 bucks for...
What's that?
We need like 160.
For gas.
100. I'm sorry, I can't hear you over your loud truck, man.
These lawnmowers are loving that high octane. 93 octane in the lawnmowers. Those boys are getting spoiled.
They're like, hell yeah. much better than water. Yeah, it's messy back here.
Yeah, not like Cody's truck.
No. Dude, it's bad.
Yeah, I know. He'll be like, hey dog, I'll give you a ride up there. And be like, oh, don't, just hop on the bumper. What? Awesome.
Thank you guys.
Sweet.
You got it, brother. Sorry, Cody. Had to call you out, bro. So when do you have to do anything to do the backfire? Yeah. Oh, okay. And then just recharge your timing?
Essentially with the spark.
Yeah.
And then it'll hold spark till a certain RPM. So right now it's set to like 1900.
Okay.
So I go like this. That guy just says fancy.
Probably so. Come on over. Yeah, Whataburger.
Sick orange.
VP in there. Ooh, it smells good. All right, two things Texans are proud about: Whataburger and HEB. Love them. All right, like I said, two things that Texans are really proud of: Whataburger and HEB. It's like a cult down here. 2032? Oh, 2032s. Oh, here. There's two.
Cool. Oh, yeah, here, 2032.
Oh, yeah, there's some Duracells. Screw the Energizers.
Yeah.
Duracells are the way to go.
Now she's set up higher.
So it's gonna pop hot louder.
Yeah, like before it's gonna go at 2000 and now it's gonna go a lot faster.
I was gonna say, watch these old. Be careful, there's some old, elderly couple walking. You don't want to do it right now. Hit it. Give me a rundown of what you did to this thing.
So James Molnick's Racing Engines, they built the engine. It's got a custom grind stage 2. Or it's custom grind. It's a bit over stage 2. It's built for boost. So when I do my twin turbos here, I'm ready for boost. It was bored out, ported. The heads were ported.
Did they even have the transmission or what?
Yeah. So the transmission's built by Austex transmission.
Okay.
It's fully ready for like 750 horsepower. It's got a 342 rear end, the limited slip, auto locking. 3200 stall converter. single exit, and MSD 2-step.
Hell yeah.
And 35-inch tires.
That rub really good, huh?
Oh yeah, they rub. If it ain't rubbing, it ain't big enough.
That's right.
Thank you guys.
There you
I
are,
need some
Mr. Battery Guy. Now our gate's gonna work.
Where's the remote?
Oh yeah, you need this, huh? Yeah, you
No,
might
thank
need
you
that.
guys. I appreciate it.
That'll help you get people in here.
Oh yeah.
All right,
I
cool.
think so. Thank you. Nice.
God dang it.
Son of a
I got it.
bitch.
I got it.
Okay, so we have a birthday party today, and included in that is a learn to ride that I'm going to teach. So I don't know how old the kid is, but he's got a group of 4 riders that are going to be joining him. So we had a couple bikes that we got from Creekside MX and Eric. So we got a CRF 150R and we got a CRF 230. So we're gonna go clean these things up and kind of get them a little more presentable for when these people get here. And so they're a little more excited to ride these things. How you guys doing? Good. My name's Corey. How many of you guys have ridden before? No? None of you guys have ridden before? So, first time using a clutch and stuff like that? Yes. Alright, cool. Good. That's awesome. Just kind of brief them on how these bikes work. What I'm going to do is I'm probably going to start them out on the electric bike first. You know, no motor, it's very easy to get going. Just want to make sure all these kids know how to start and stop, balance well, before they get on a bike where they could possibly, what we call risky throttle, where you know they get a little freaked out and they don't realize that they're pinning it and they could go straight into a wall or something. So I want to prevent that from happening. Yeah, so I'll be able to prevent that from happening. So yeah, make sure you guys, all your shoes are tied. Your jerseys are being left out, that's fine. So yeah, that should be good. Do any of you guys need helmets? Yes. You do? All of them? Or? Yeah. Okay, so that would be inside here in the little pro shop. So let's go ahead and go inside there and I'll show you all the options. Hey Ashley, these guys are here for the birthday party. So we need, they need some helmets to use. Like pretty much all of them need, or we need at least 4 that they may be able to have to rotate through. That's too small?
Yeah.
Yeah, try this one. This, what you're gonna do is hold them, and you're gonna spread these open as you put it on your helmet. So, some people go like this.
You can put it like that if you want.
It's just not the right way to put it on. So, take this, and kind of spread it as you put it on. That way it keeps these nice and clean, and you can strap it underneath your neck there. So.
Yeah, too small. This is small, try medium.
How's that feel? That looks like that fits good. Got a little bit of room too. Yeah, that's much better. That's my helmet. You can, and look, match the Fast House too. You look good, man. I got some Fast House pants if you want to wear them too. Okay guys, so these bikes here are like entry-level trail bikes, okay? They're not race bikes, so they're very easy to learn on. I like to describe the power band on these things. You ever go into like your mom's basement or your grandma's basement and they have those light knobs, the circle? When you slowly turn that light knob, the lights get much brighter, right? That's how the power is on this, right? On the race bikes, you know, the ones that, you know, ding, 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 they're really fast. They have power bands in them, some people say. When those are like a light switch, when you go in your bedroom and you flip the lights on, you have full power. All the lights are on at once, right? That's how the power comes on one of those bikes. They're very, very abrupt and very violent when they deliver the power. These bikes are going to be pretty easy to learn on, okay? They're like that light knob. When you turn that knob, it just slowly builds power and it doesn't get away from you, and you kind of know what to expect as a power build. So this is a KO dirt bike. This is a pretty good entry-level bike to get. If you go to the dealership that I work at, it's called Alamo Cycleplex. They sell this bike. I believe they also sell this bike too. We don't have one at the moment, but they sell that. We also have a bike similar to that too. So these are all gas bikes, okay? This one over here is an electric bike. So this is it's called a Mantis RAR. It's a weird name in here. Alright, let me come right in front of this thing right here. Okay. Okay, if you guys look right here, you see this here? This is eco, meaning economy, meaning slow, and then sport. So sport's going to be obviously much faster. So we're going to start out on this. All you have to do is hit the throttle, and it goes. Okay, so you start out, just keep your legs level, and then just give it gas, and it'll slowly propel forward, okay? Also remember, the faster you go, the easier it is to balance. The slower you go, the more you do this and wobble. Okay, so I took these kids down by the night track, and there's an area here where it was safe enough for them to learn to take off on the bike, let the clutch out, and work the throttle to where they wouldn't be faced up against a fence or a wall or some kind of rock or something that would make them crash. So this worked out really well. Everyone did really well, and everyone learned how to ride, and it was successful. So it was good stuff here. Had a good time with these people. All right, so I had a learn to ride birthday party with 10 kids, and had to teach all 10 kids how to ride a dirt bike, and none of them had ever ridden a dirt bike before. Some of these kids really didn't have any balance at all when they went to take off, and so I had to ride with them, a couple of them, but most of them knew what they were doing and eventually caught on and had a pretty good time. So that was really good. That was fun. I love doing that stuff. I love teaching the kids how to ride a dirt bike and enjoy it. So, all right, Logan's getting out there right now, and he's gonna throw down some water on the main track. Let's go take a ride with him. Go for a ride. All right, thanks again. I appreciate everybody tuning in, watching the channel, and it's been nice meeting some people that have come out and watched the channel and come out to Cycle Ranch because they watched some of my videos. So really do appreciate that. If you guys get a chance, please come out to Cycle Ranch. This place is heaven on earth. It really is. We have 13 tracks here and a little bit for everybody. So bring the whole family out, and we look forward to seeing everybody. Thanks for watching.